In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create a tangent plane in Autodesk Fusion 360 using the most efficient and reliable method available. Whether you are working on a complex industrial design or a simple mechanical part, learning how to properly orient construction planes is a fundamental skill that every CAD user must master. A tangent plane is incredibly useful when you need to create a flat sketch surface on a curved geometry, like a cylinder or a sphere, where standard planes simply won't work. By the end of this video, you will be able to place these planes with precision and use them to take your 3D modeling to the next level. Before we dive into the technical steps, if you find this guide helpful for your workflow, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more professional Fusion 360 tips and tricks. Let's get right into the software and start building. First, ensure you have your model open in Autodesk Fusion 360. You should have some form of curved geometry ready to work with, such as a localized boss, a cylindrical body, or even a spherical surface. Once your workspace is ready, look at the top navigation bar and locate the Construct menu. This menu is home to all the different types of auxiliary planes and axes that help define your 3D space. Click on Construct, and from the drop-down list, select the Tangent Plane option. Now, move your cursor over to your model. The software is now waiting for you to select a face. Go ahead and click directly on the curved face where you want the new plane to reside. Once you click the surface, you will notice a ghosted preview of a plane appearing. However, we often need this plane to be at a specific orientation. This brings us to the next critical move. You can click a point, an edge, or use the rotation handle to define exactly where you want the plane to touch the surface. If you have an existing sketch point or a reference edge, selecting it now will snap the tangent plane perfectly to that location. This ensures that your subsequent sketches are perfectly aligned with your design intent. Take a moment to inspect the angle and the positioning. If you need to rotate it manually, you can use the numerical input field to enter a specific degree of rotation around the curved axis. Once you are satisfied with the alignment and the preview looks correct, go ahead and click the OK button in the dialog box. You have successfully created a tangent plane. You can now select this plane and start a new sketch on it, just like you would with any of the default origin planes. This allows you to extrude features directly into or away from the curved surface with a perfectly flat start point. Mastering the Construct menu is what separates beginners from advanced users in Fusion 360, as it allows for much more flexible and parametric modeling. If this video was useful to you, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.